If you've watched the videos about importing and exporting tools, doing the same with tool holders is just as easy. First I'll go into the Tools section, and this time into the Tool Holders subsection. And there I'll find a similar list, as well as some direct import and export buttons. Now, this tool has a specific holder on it, and if I'd like to save that to the database, I simply have the tool selected in gibbsCAM, and I press the Import from Gibbs button. And that's going to generate a solid model and associate that file to this holder. There's also an image I could change, name, notes, as well as a holder class. Once I press OK, that'll be added into the database, and I can use that in a future program. Now this tool has a very obviously different holder, and if I'd like to apply the holder I just saved to it instead, then I can do a similar thing by going into the Tool Holders subsection here. I can find my holder, select the holder, select the tool, and export to Gibbs. And that's going to load in the solid. You can see it here in the body bag, and it's going to associate it as a custom tool holder. Again, very easy no matter which way you go.